Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will be discussing on a very known topic, that is stress. Before we begin with our slides, let me introduce myself in brief. I am Dr. Siddhi. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner. My key area of work are stress consultation, infertility counseling. I also customize weight loss program according to individual needs and their lifestyles. So let's begin. What exactly is stress? If you're losing yourself to demands of life, you're not alone. American Institute of Stress claims 75 to 90% of doctors' visits are attributed to stress. American Psychological Association survey has also found that only 37% of Americans are good or excellent in managing their stress. Yes, stress can be part of anybody's life. It can be for a teenager, a school-going child, to an elderly woman or a person. Stress can be in any form. It can be a situational stress, emotional stress, or physical stress. So, today we will understand what exactly is stress. So, now let's understand what is stress. Stress has no specific definition of its own. It will always differ from person to person, as we all react to a certain situation differently. Hence, we cannot define it in a standardized format. Just for example, we will take as time stress. I am stressed that I do not have enough time. Anticipatory stress. I am stressed about something that I cannot anticipate in future. Situational stress. Situation that is beyond my control. Most people find that they always have one or two dominant types stress they are dealing with. Now we can say stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or a demand. Is all stress bad? No, not at all. Not all stress are bad. There are also a few good types of stress that your body feels, which are called as eustress. Few examples of positive stress can be getting married, buying a new car, having a child, moving, taking a vacation, retiring, going for a job interview. These times when you feel stress, these stress are good for your body. They help you in giving an extra boost to your mind and your body, extra energy to perform. These stress are temporary in nature. Hence, they can be called as good stress or eustress. There are again bad stress or de-stress. These can give permanent effects or major chronic diseases for your body. Few examples of bad stress can be death of a spouse, filing for a divorce, losing contact with your loved one, death of a family member, hospitalization, injury or illness, being abused or neglected, separation from your spouse, bankrupt, money problem, unemployment, sleep problems, child problems at school, legal problems, and this list can go on. When your body do not get any time for relaxation in between stress, it starts giving adverse effects on your body. Hence it is called as bad stress or de-stress. So now we are clear, stress can be of two types, eustress and de-stress, that is good stress and bad stress. Stress is not always a bad thing. Stress is simply the body's response to change that creates demand. So positive stress will help you in keeping motivated. It will focus your energy. It will be generally short in term. It persists within your coping abilities. When you feel excited is also a positive stress. Positive stress is always helpful in improving your performance. Whereas negative stress or de-stress can cause anxiety or concern. It can be short or long term. It persists outside your coping abilities. Feeling unpleasant can also be a de-stress. It decreases your performance. These can lead into mental and major physical problems. So now we are clear what exactly is stress. We have also managed in categorizing our stress in good stress and bad stress. Now we also have understood what are the reasons behind good stress and what factors can cause a bad stress. After understanding all this, now we have to see what can be the problems that are caused because of stress or prolonged stress, diseases that can be caused, effects of prolonged stress on your body, how you're supposed to deal with it. If you have understood my video clearly and liked it, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe and also press a bell icon for getting a notification of upcoming videos. For any further queries, feel free to contact or drop a message on the number displayed on screen. Thank you.